I took a class in Japan to learn how to make udon noodles from scratch, and I had no idea it involved this.
Chefs also do this?
Hi, my name is Crystal, like the mineral, and today I'm making authentic udon noodles from scratch using traditional techniques that's been passed down for generations. How far are we?
Right there.
Ba 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 na na. Ba 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 na na. Oh, ba 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 na na.
All right, let's get started. When I walked in, everything was already laid out on the table. You actually don't need much to make udon. You just need water, flour, and salt. We were given aprons and told to wash our hands.
I don't know, girl. I'm just crossing it and just going in from the other side.
Let's see.
I can help with you.
How did you do it?
Oh, I just think you put it in the...
Oh, I see. Okay, you do it and then you cross.
I just
And then you put it, flip it through and then tie it.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Interesting.
She'll tell us if it's wrong.
We also went around the table introducing ourselves, and it ended up being such a random mix of people from completely different backgrounds. I'm Crystal.
Crystal, nice to meet you. We're going to make udon. So please put the water in this bowl.
The first step was making the udon dough. We mixed water into flour and a bit of salt and started kneading with our hands. Then we were told to put the dough into a heavy-duty plastic bag and to step on it. I genuinely thought she was joking, but moments later, everyone took off their shoes and started kneading the dough with their feet.
So we're going to step 5 minutes.
5 minutes? I feel like I'm gonna get hot noodles. This technique is called ashifumi. It is a traditional method that uses your body weight to knead the very stiff dough in order to create that signature chewy texture. This is so fun.
I want to make sure it's not busting through the back either.
Oh yeah.
Seems okay. Add that for later. Yeah.
Ooh. And just when I thought that that was the most surprising part, we were then told to tuck the dough into our shirts. This step is crucial as it allows the heat from our body to create a warm, moist environment for the dough to rest and develop a high-quality gluten structure. While the dough is resting, we made a quick Japanese cucumber salad. We use this technique where you place the chopsticks on either side of the cucumber so you don't cut all the way through. By the time we finished making the salad, the dough had rested and it was ready to be turned into noodles.
These moments I will remember forever.
We dusted the table with flour and started rolling it out. Then we carefully cut the dough into thin strips about 2 to 3 millimeters. This is where it all started to come together. Once the noodles were cut, we dropped them into boiling water to let them cook for 12 minutes. And while we waited, we somehow managed to start making tempura vegetables too. We were doing everything at once. time to eat. This has been so much fun, and it's just the beginning. I have many more Japan moments to share, from taking the bullet train to solo traveling Kyoto to trying all types of food on a stick. So if you want to see more of my Japan series, stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!